What's going on this morning, family? Black Phoenix checking in, up on my coffee, about to hit this highway here in a second. And I was just thinking, we all have a journey, a personal journey that we're on, and we want to get somewhere. And I understand that it takes, meeting other people to actually help you get to where you're going. And yes, sometimes you're going to need money, and sometimes you won't. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes your work ethics or your character will take you places that you wouldn't even imagine. But I want to say this. My personal goal is to be free, is to travel, is to teach, build, fabricate my own products, and just enjoy life, see my kids, give them a passion to want to be anything they want to be. Not just what I'm doing, but if they have a real passion about something, I want to nurture it. So I would say this. If you are a man, you got family, you got kids, you're not around them or you are around them, invest in them. Help them learn the law. Help them learn a skill, a trade, an asset. Show them how to be independent. Show them how to get land. Show them how to grow their own food. Show them how to build their own. It's possible. It's time. Hold on.